Okay, so this is the door. From here you enter, and firstly, welcome to my house. This is my floor. I live on the second floor. So yeah, here we have some glass doors which you usually don't use. Then here I have some seating area. I love these pendant lights. I've got them from Pepperfry if I'm not wrong, and I have them since 3-4 years now, and I was not able to find the right bulb for them. Now they are here and they look super pretty, and this one I've made myself. This is a DIY. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on this, please leave a comment down below. So these are from the black suede pillow covers are from Amazon, and the golden ones are from Westside, and the moon one is from Shein, and the black one you see, the round one, that's again a DIY that I've made. So this is my favorite area. I just love how it looks. So the vase is from Shein. The flowers are from Shein. So here I have a little container which holds Vicks, some chewing gums. And then I have my perfumes right here. I have a Jimmy Choo, CK's Manans. This is Narciso Rodriguez. I just love this perfume. And then behind this there's a box, and again this is a piece which my mother gave me, I believe. I don't remember, it's really old. I love to keep it here. And yes, this is how this corner looks. So this Chester was basically here under these hangings, but I don't know, I just keep on changing things and redecorating. So yeah, I've just shifted this here. And now moving on to my room. I'm not gonna show you that area, it's pretty messed up. And this room is, by the way, Manan's gaming room. It's a extra bedroom, but for now he's made it as his gaming room. My room is really simple. As you can see, I have my baby crib. Izara usually sleeps here. I try to make her sleep here, but she rolls over to me and then comes and sleeps with me. But yeah, I try to make her sleep here. And here I have this beautiful lamp. This was again from Pepperfry, and crib is from Baby Hug. This was a gift from Izara's Masi and Mami. And also this bumper set is from First Cry. I'll link the details if possible. Okay, so now moving on to the bed sheet. I prefer plain white sheets or the sheets which are lighter color. I love how they look on my bed. So yeah, this one is from again Shein. I put all the links, but I would suggest not to call anything right now because of obviously coronavirus. That cushion you see right in the middle is again from Shein, and this bed is actually custom made. I love how it looks. So now moving on to this section. This one has all the stuff Manan and me use. This is a tissue holder and a remote holder. I love it. And again, this is from Shein. That's my phone and that's my water bottle. Now moving to this area, I just love how it looks. It's really nice. This is my snack corner. So we usually sleep late and I get really hungry. So yeah, starting from this side. So this is my baby monitor. This is from MI. This vase particularly, I don't remember right now, but I think I got it from Myntra. So yeah, that's my little tortoise in the water. They say it's really nice to keep one in your house. Yee! What are you doing, Mama? Come here. So Izara is busy right now. Okay, so now again I have these little jars. Here I have some chocolates and some biscuits. Then here I have some bourbon. What are you doing? What are you doing? And here I have some bourbon biscuits. Then here I have some matri. I love eating matri. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And this here is a very pretty silver container. You can pretty much use this for anything. I store my medicine, earphones and other random stuff. I store my medicine. Yeah, you wanted that, right? I store my medicines, my earphones, and I actually use this to hide my earphones from Izara because she is too fond of them. Okay, and yeah, also this table is from Amazon and I love how it looks. It's really cheap and I just got it for like 1600, but it looks so nice. I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, so this section right here is my favorite. I just love sitting here when it's raining or to have my tea. This is the background, that's somebody's house. And right here I have some essentials. This is Izara's diaper caddy. I love how handy this is. So this basically has her moisturizers, creams, and some diapers. All these things are really important. Then here is my MacBook resting. This is my TV unit. It's pretty simple. And this is my TV. This is by Samsung. Then there's a little Alexa and then a clock. Obviously I can't keep much because this little one keeps on breaking everything. Yeah, one cool feature I want to tell you in my room, that's the Alexa is connected to this lamp. Whenever I ask Alexa, it switches it on. So if you want to see, Alexa, switch on the light. There you go. So this is the best feature because obviously I'm not able to reach my buttons, so this is the best way I can use my Alexa. So there's this bulb which you put in this. I'll try to put the link. I'll ask my husband and try to put everything in the description box below so that you know what exactly I'm talking about. Also, I'm going to show you my dressing very quickly. If you guys want to see in-depth video on my dressing, I'll link it down below. So yeah, this is my dressing. This is how I've set it up. I shoot here. I keep my camera here and shoot here. This has changed a little bit because I've added these shelves from Shein and these decor pieces from Shein. They are so amazing. I will link them down below. This mirror is really old and it's from Westside. This oil diffuser is from Amazon. And this container is from Shein. This brush holder is from a local store here in Kota. And yeah, that's it. And rest of the items, these, everything is from Shein. I'll try to link it down below. If you guys want to see the in-depth video on my dressing, please go and check the description box. Okay, I think I've never shown you my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. It's very small but very cute. I love it. So these shelves, I've got it from Pepperfry. Actually I need a lot of storage, so basically this is the best I could do. And here is my basin, some random stuff. Then this is from Shein, and again this tray, I'll try to link it, but I'm not too sure if it is available or not. So here I have some Listerine, my medical box, tissue box, my JBL speakers, and some fresh towels. This is my mother of pearl basin. I love it, and as you can see I have all the fittings in gold and I really love it. This area right here is my shower area, as you can see. So this shelf has all my Q-tips, some cotton pads. This container also I got it from Shein. Then these containers are from Forever 21 and I'm not able to find them again. Here I have all my face washes, and then here I have all my skincare products, some Pixi. So I have some other stuff right here which is again my skincare. Then I have this Ted Baker shimmer body souffle, and then two of my makeup removers. This rug is from Pepperfry again, and this one I really don't remember. So this is how my bathroom looks. Really cute and I love it. I love how I've decorated it. So this door is there, and then you kind of go back to my room. That was my dressing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.